What's the meaning of all Canadian? All Canadian. All Canadian. All Canadian. All Canadian. All Canadian.
The term all-Canadian refers to something that is exclusively made up of, or representing, all parts of Canada. It could refer to a team of athletes, a musical group, or a selection of products. Being all-Canadian is a source of pride for many Canadians and represents a sense of unity and diversity within the country. It highlights the collective accomplishments and contributions of individuals from all regions and backgrounds. Overall, being all-Canadian represents a celebration of Canada's cultural mosaic and inclusive spirit.